Pakistan's leading business personality and managing director of Technology Links, Kaleem Farooqi, organized a function at his residence to further strengthen Pak-Japan relations. In Profound Vision, Paul Guilfoyle participated as a special guest. Addressing the participants of the function, Paul Guilfoyle said, "Pakistan and Japan will continue to take steps to further strengthen the friendship because our relations with Pakistan are of utmost importance." He emphasized on mutual trade and investment in Pakistan and said that they would invest more in Pakistan through automobile companies which could improve the Pakistani economy. During the event, Chairman Bulk Shipping Agencies Tariq Halim presented gifts to the special guest. Chief Executive Officer Profound Vision, Asim Muhammad Ali, Technical Advisor Japan International Cooperation Hiroshi Jogasaki, Chairman Mandviwala Motors Stent Director Research, Sadia Mansoor, famous businessman Swalem Eman, Senior Journalist, Ufshan Lalani, Editor-in-Chief of Daily Ball, Abid Abdullah, and Now News Network Director-in-Chief, Hailo Al-Najmi and other important personalities participated in the event.